It's time to end your perpetual exhaustion and get energized and take action. To kick your cravings out of the driver's seat and make healthy choices non-negotiable. To stop putting everyone else's needs first and create healthy boundaries that honor your own needs. It's time to put an end to your self-doubt and feel confident that you're enough just as you are. Join me for Whole and Healthy. Create a whole and healthy mind, a whole and healthy body, and a whole and healthy spirit. A 6-week step-by-step program to help you create the whole and healthy lifestyle you've been dreaming of. And you'll have access to all the Black Vegan Academy courses with Whole and Healthy, a path to wellness in all aspects of your life. Spirit food to connect to your inner wisdom, mind food to master a healthier way of eating and living, and power food to build skills for thriving in an unhealthy world. So this week is about imagining yourself whole and healthy. All the lessons in this session will be geared towards setting a solid framework for us to build on for the rest of the work. Each lesson throughout this course will present a topic, a concept, an idea, a challenge for you. And so after you watch the video, there'll be some journal prompts, there'll be some things for you to observe, some things for you to do, some things for you to reflect on before you go on to the next session. And so I encourage you to take this seriously, do the homework, the challenges, the exercises that I have provided, and take it seriously. And if you do, you will find that you have created something wonderful for yourself by the end of this challenge, by the end of this course. So I look forward to seeing you inside Whole and Healthy. In week 1, imagine yourself whole and healthy. Here's what's included in the core program. Plus, there's options for private one-on-one coaching. And of course, the Black Vegan Academy courses. Join me for Whole and Healthy. Step into your true, whole and healthy, badass, powerful, and beautiful self.